I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you notice a fraudulent charge on your Barclays card, disputing it can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Review your statement. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the @com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect any relevant information such as receipts, emails, or screenshots that support your claim. This will help when you communicate with Barclays. Step 3. Contact Barclays. Call the customer service number on the back of your card or use the Barclays app to report the fraudulent charge. Be ready to provide details about the transaction. Step 4. Follow up in writing. After your call, send a written dispute via email or through the app. Include all the details and documentation you gathered earlier. This creates a paper trail. Step 5. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your account for updates regarding your dispute. Barclays may take a few days to investigate, so check back regularly. If you notice any additional charges while waiting for a response, report them immediately. Disputing fraudulent charges can feel overwhelming, but following these steps can make the process smoother. Good luck!